Hi, welcome to Reprice Solution. In this video, you will learn about how to quick start with repricing after registering your account with Reprice Solution. Visit www.repricesolution.com. Then, sign in with your credentials. The first step after you sign into this website is to integrate your seller account with Reprice Solution. For this, click on Channel Integration, then click on Channel Setup. If you are an Amazon seller, then integrate your Amazon seller account with Reprice Solution. And if you are a Walmart seller, then integrate your Walmart seller account with Reprice Solution. We have also created this seller account integration tutorial. Kindly check the link provided in the description. After successful integration of your seller account, the second step you have to follow is to create a bidding rule. For this, click on Repricing Rule Settings, then select your marketplace. Then, click on the plus icon and create your bidding rule. We have created a detailed tutorial on creating the bidding rules. So to understand it better, check on the link given in the description below. After successful creation of the bidding rule, it's time now to start with repricing. We have three types of repricing modules based on different business needs. First, we have quick repricing module. In this module, your min price and max price is created dynamically in less than a minute. This quick repricing is good for the businesses who have large number of products and don't want to spend time in creating the min and max value of each product. Second, we have manual min and max repricing module. In this module, you can manually input your min price and max price on each product and apply unlimited bidding rules. This repricing module is best for businesses who wish to manually control all products with respect to their minimum and maximum price. Third, this is advanced version of repricing module. In this module, you organize each product in a group and start repricing. This repricing module provides the exact min price and max price of each product and gives more control on maximizing your profits. So now, choose which module suits better for your business. So, starting up with the first module, that is quick repricing. For this, click on Quick Repricing and select your integrated marketplace. Enter your dynamic min price value and max price value. In the repricing settings section, select the best option for your competition and click on Start Repricing. Your products will start repricing instantly. Using Quick Repricing module, your products will start repricing in less than a minute. There is a detailed tutorial on quick repricing. To know more about it, kindly click on the link given in the description below. Now, if you wish to choose the second repricing module, that is manual min-max repricing, then click on Manage Products and select your desired marketplace. Then, under the min column, add the minimum value manually to each product. And, under the max column, add the maximum value of each product manually. Then, choose the desired bidding rule, which you have created during the start of this tutorial. After you have set your min-max and repricing rule, navigate to Status column and click on the button in order to start the repricing. That's it, your products will start repricing soon. Now moving on to the third repricing module, that is, the Reprice Master module. To start with this module, you will need to create weight tag and marketplace referral fee tag. For creating the weight tag, kindly click on Reprice Rule Settings. Then, click on Min-Max Tags and select Weight Tag. Now, click on Add New Weight Tag button. Then, create a weight range and insert the price as provided by your shipping carrier. After creating weight tag, click on the Marketplace Referral Fee tag. This fee tag is the commission which Amazon and Walmart charges you on selling each product on their platform. To create the referral fee tag, click on Add New Fee Tag. Enter all the details with category and insert the referral percent that your marketplace is charging based on the category of your products. You can view the live fee chart by clicking here. After successful creation on weight tag and referral fee, it's time now to create the Reprice Masters. Reprice Master is a group of SKU which has same product with different seller listings. To create Reprice Master, sign into your Reprice Solution account. Once you have created these tags, then you can start creating Reprice Master. To start with creating Reprice Master, click on Manage Products, then select the marketplace like Amazon or Walmart. Now, click on Newly Added tab. Then, check mark all the same product, which has multiple listings. After you have selected all the required listings, click on Create Reprice Master. A pop-up will appear. In that, enter the name and description. Then, enter the base price, that is the purchasing price of the product, and insert the exact weight of the product. Then, click on Save Changes. After you click on Save Changes, the selected SKU will be vanished from Newly Added tab. Now, click on Reprice Master and search that master in the search bar. Once you see your Reprice Master, add your profit in the profit column. Then, select the market referral fees. Max ratio is a multiplier which multiplies your min price in order to get the max price. So, input the value in the form of ratio. Then, select the repricing rule, which you have created in Repricing Rule Settings. Now, click on the plus icon. In the pack column, insert the number of pack of the product. This is important because from this you will get the exact calculated shipping price. As earlier, I said about the max ratio as our multiplier, so you can see that it has created your product max prices by multiplying your min price. In the profit column, you can increase or decrease your profit value anytime based on your competitor listing. Using Reprice Master, you will get the exact minimum price. Due to this, you will never sell your products in loss. You can view your SKU competition by clicking on this hyperlink. And if you wish to stop a particular SKU from repricing, then you can turn it off from here. Now, the benefits of using Reprice Master. Reprice Master helps in easy sorting of product listings. In future, if your product vendor increases the product price, then don't worry, just open your Reprice Master and change the base price in that master, and it will update the price on all your related SKU. If your shipping carrier changes the shipping price, then just open the weight tag and update the price, then this price will be updated to all related products. During certain promotions, your marketplace notifies you regarding the change in their referral fees, so you can open your fee tag and change the fee value, then it will reflect to all the related Reprice Masters and their child SKUs. Likewise, there are many useful features which will help you in increasing your sales and getting more orders, so, for more details, book free demo.